The world and the world of tech is changing, and merging the two worlds together has never been easier than it is today thanks to products like this, the Rokid Max 2. These are technically AR glasses, but what makes these different from the rest is their ease of use and portability, and the fact that they allow you to stay in touch with reality whilst using them. So imagine being able to carry around a 215-inch OLED monitor in your pocket. Yeah, that's basically what these are, but that might be a little bit of an oversimplification, and you'll see why. Now, I know you might have concerns about products like this. For example, how do they look? How heavy are they? Are they comfortable to wear for long durations? And how will your eyes feel after binge watching an entire series on Netflix? And then of course, there's the two biggest questions of all. How much will they cost? And what can I actually use them for? Well, we're going to get into all of that in this video as we run through the top 5 most important things you need to know about Rokid's AR Joy 2-pack, which is a unique offering that consists of the Rokid Max 2 glasses and the Rokid Station. So before we jump into the design and the comfort aspects, let's get into the pricing. The price at launch on the Rokid Max 2 glasses is £309 here in the UK. And if you're wondering if you need anything else to get started other than the glasses, well, you actually don't. You can pair them up with a phone, a tablet, a computer, or a gaming device with the provided USB-C to C cable and unlock the full 215-inch display inside the glasses. Now, when it comes to actually buying, there's a couple of options out there. For example, if you go for the Rokid AR Joy 2-pack combo, this opens up the option to use the Rokid Max 2 glasses with the Rokid Station, which essentially acts as a plug-and-play Google TV hub, and it does have its own Wi-Fi, its own Bluetooth, and 32 gig of onboard memory for downloading apps from the Google TV App Store. And the price on the AR Joy 2-pack will set you back £389. However, I have partnered up with Rokid to get you guys a better deal, and by using my exclusive discount code, you can get the AR Joy 2 combo at the lowest price of the year. So check out the link in the description after watching this video for a discount on your purchase if you like what you see here. Now let's talk about the design and comfort. These are the 2nd generation Rokid Max glasses, so there has been some significant upgrades and improvements compared to the original Rokid Max. They're arguably more stylish now and kind of resemble a pair of Ray-Ban Wayfarers in my opinion, and I do like Wayfarers. And just like before, you can wear them with or without the blackout cover attached, and aesthetically they definitely look nicer with the blackout cover off, but of course this significantly changes the experience you get from that display inside quite a lot, and we'll come back to that in a moment. So with the Max 2 glasses, Rokid has really focused on making sure the nose pads are softer and have more flexible fittings now, and there are actually 2 different size options in the box. So this means you can avoid any excessive pinching around the bridge of your nose. The ends of the arms that hook over your ears create a firm grip, but now they're more flexible and more comfortable than they were before. And during the testing of the Rokid Max 2, yeah, they are comfy enough and certainly comfortable enough to make it through an entire feature film without having any significant eye fatigue or excessive pressure around the ears or nose. And here's something that's brand new. The Max 2 glasses now cater for users with myopia, aka short-sightedness, with all new diopter adjustment wheels for each eye. This allows you to adjust the range from 0.00D to -6.00D. Put simply, if you are slightly nearsighted, you can still use these glasses. However, for those that have hyperopia, aka farsightedness, you might actually need special prescription lens inserts for the Rokid, and Rokid actually do sell the appropriate adapter kit for these glasses. So yes, you can fit these with your own prescription lenses. And if eye health is a concern for you, you'll be happy to know that Rokid hasn't overlooked this aspect either, and they've actually made sure that the Rokid Max 2 are safe for prolonged use, and they have even achieved an official TÜV Rheinland eye comfort certification. Titanium has been used on the hinge for durability, and this is important because when you connect these to a device, you've either got to use the USB-C to C cable or the USB-C to mini HDMI cable that you get with the AR Joy pack. And of course, if this cable is snagged from time to time, that would put pressure on these hinges. So it's a good thing that they've made efforts to make sure that these are reinforced and robust enough to survive a few snags. Something else that's really nice to see here is the fact that Rokid have equipped these with high-res certified audio, which is built directly into the glasses and sit right above where your ears are when wearing them. So this means you don't necessarily need to pair these up with headphones to get that proper cinematic experience. But side note, if you're not using headphones, people around you will be able to hear it a little bit. So for a proper personal cinematic experience with the glasses, you would want to hook up some headphones on your source device, whether that be your phone, tablet, laptop, or the Rokid Station. So in the intro of this video, I mentioned you can carry around the Rokid Max 2 in your pocket, and you can because the glasses alone weigh just 75 grams. And the reason they're so light is because they don't actually house any of their own batteries. The glasses actually run on the power direct from the input source that is used. But my guess is, given the price of the glasses, you probably won't want to just throw them in your pocket all the time because you wouldn't want to scratch these. And that's why it's a great thing that Rokid does ship the Rokid Max 2 glasses with a premium hard shell carry case, and there's a nice space inside for the provided USB-C to C cables and the Rokid Station if you do choose to pick that up with the bundle, the AR Joy 2 pack. Now regarding the Rokid Station, it is kind of tiny and it weighs 148 grams due to its built-in 5000 milliampere battery, and this is very pocketable and smaller than the smartphone. The battery life here is up to 5 hours, so with this and the glasses together, you don't have to worry about your phone battery so much when watching movies and TV on the go. So in regards to traveling with the Rokid devices, they're really purpose built for it in my opinion. However, I wouldn't recommend any kind of physical activities like running and things like that. But if you did want to wear the Rokid Max 2 glasses whilst walking down the street, that's something you could definitely do. And I know I'm stating the obvious, but I'd only recommend this when you have the blackout cover off, of course. So this brings me nicely onto the display quality. Using the Rokid Max 2 with the blackout cover off gives you a floating, opaque display that's kind of fixed in place in front of you. So no matter where you look, it's always going to be right there. The micro OLED panels used for each eye are nicely pixel dense and provide a really sharp picture. And it is ideal for watching YouTube videos in the background whilst doing other things around the house or for just general multitasking. However, due to light leakage, the picture will look better with the blackout cover on. And it really is when used like this that the screen quality really shines through. The colors look great and you won't notice any obvious pixelation thanks to that OLED tech. The contrast when watching in darker environments is nearly infinite, and the brightness reaches up to 600 nits, which is certainly bright enough for displays that sit so close to your eyes. And something that might seem like a small detail is actually kind of a huge deal. It is that 120 Hz refresh rate. Okay, so we've covered the price. Now the second most important question to answer is, what can they actually do? So the reality is there is a wide range of use cases for the Rokid AR Joy 2 pack. And here are the three main ones that you need to know about. Number one, it is the perfect portable standalone entertainment device for traveling. The Rokid Max 2 offers another level of immersion compared to just regular in-flight infotainment systems, and far better than just resting a tablet on the flip down table on a plane, for example. And if you end up in a rundown Airbnb with a foreign TV and no understandable channel available, well, in that scenario, if you had the Max 2 and the Rokid Station, you could kick back and watch some movies on a 215-inch OLED display, or of course you could get some gaming in whilst relaxing. Number two, they can be used as a second monitor for your laptop when you're on the move, or if you're at home on your desktop setup, you could use them as a second monitor there also. And this is great. For example, you could have some reference material in the glasses whilst typing on your computer, and this means you don't have to have multiple windows open or actual multiple physical monitors taking up desk space. And there are more features coming to these glasses soon, for example multi-screen mode and a dedicated reading mode, which will certainly be useful for longer work sessions. And there are mics on board, so you can take and make calls via the glasses without having to have an external microphone. So this does mean they can be used for conference calls, and you could set up your conference call software background to a beach setting so that you don't have to explain why you appear to be wearing sunglasses in the meeting. Number three, you can use these as a pocket monitor for pretty much anything with a compatible USB-C port or a mini HDMI port. So this means laptops, smartphones, tablets, gaming devices, and yes, you can play games at 120 Hz with the Rokid Max 2 glasses, and you can do this via the USB-C to C cable from a gaming PC or a handheld gaming device. So those are the main things you need to know about the Rokid Max 2 and the Rokid Station. And if you have any questions about the Rokid Max 2 glasses or the Rokid Station, let me know in the comments, and I do read all of the comments. And check this out, guys, I've partnered up with Rokid on this one, and like I said before, I've managed to get you guys a discount. So if you are interested, all of the details for that will be in the description below. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, a little thumbs up would be appreciated. If you just subscribed, you're now one of the finest subscribers known to man, and I will see you in the next one. Don't be late.